Very good. Come on back here. You can have a seat and wait for your buddy.
You said I'm an extra. It's okay.
Yes. Very good.
He said that for the documentary on how I came back to the cave. Oh my God, I got see y'all? No. Y'all see how the water is dropping and it's starting to form colors?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Do I gotta bleep that out?
Oh my bad, I'm not supposed to curse. Sorry.
Zoe, no. I'm telling you. It just looks so... I'm telling Paul. Good.
All right.
I'm telling Paul.
You guys are good. You can start heading down there. There's a room down there that everybody can stand up in. And
Stop it. It's wait, down here?
yes, go on down. Go on down there. Yes. And where you can stand up, just wait there when you can stand up, okay? Take your time, guys.
How's it so slippery?
Because it's all wet. It's wet in here.
Oh, wait. Somebody help me.
Oh, come on.
Pain. Did I hurt my camera?
You're going to get an Oscar for this one.
Oh my God. But I fell.
There we go. We're doing good.
Thanks, can I give you the ball? Yeah, here.
We want to see a cave called Double Ass Dragon. They'll go with it.
Okay, take your time coming through.
No! Ow! I mean, you just kicked me in the face!
Easy.
Ah! Help! I'm stuck.
Hold on. You're doing good.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're doing very good.
Go.
That's it. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Go. Y'all got me fucked up. Wait, this is fun.
Can I get a few pictures for my camera?
Oh, yeah. Take a lot of pictures.
Yeah.
Take as many pictures as you want.
Which one is bigger?
They're both the same. You pick.
Get that on. I'm so scared.
Go on your side and just slide through.
Okay, look at my clothes.
Very good.
No.
Very good. Oh, you got a real camera.
Wait, what's the way out?
Wait,
Come on, Mike. You got this.
I'm so graceful.
Very good.
Yeah, I made it again.